Uh, Hi friends, today our topic is how to create the Angular application. So let me first I will share my I will share my screen. Then we have an Visual Studio Code. This is my Visual Studio Code actually. So I have already created one folder. I'm opening that folder. Okay. So okay, this is my folder. Okay, I'm opening that. So in that folder, I will create, I'm trying to create one our application. Okay. So here, this is in my folder. So actually, I'm using the node version is an now I will update the node version. Okay. So NVM use 20. I have multiple versions in my system. That's why I'm latest version I'm using. Okay. So NVM use and I'm using. Okay. Let me create a Angular application. Okay. Ng new name of the application. Okay. So this command is used for the creating the Angular application. Ng new name of the application. For example, I'm giving hello world. Okay. Hello world I am giving. Okay. So whatever name you want, you can create it. No problem. So this is command for ng creating the Angular application. So I'm entering that. So now what kind of CSS file we want? For example, you will continue with the CSS or CSS or anything. You can select it. First, I can go with CSS now. As of now, just I will enter it. Okay. So one more question is asking, see, do you want to enable the server side rendering and static side generation? Okay. Just keep on yes. Just this project will be create. So basically it will take some time. Once the project will load, I will show you. Okay. So give me some time. So I will explain our basic structure also. Okay. So whenever Angular application will create, so you see here, this is our entire basic structure of the Angular application. Okay. Actually our application still not yet created. Actually, the structure is created. So all the files and all these things still it is loading. I will show you one by one. Okay. So our root file is so our root file where it is application starts and what is the structure actually. I will explain everything. Okay. So what we'll do. Okay. So I'm just opening that. This is the node modules basically it will be helpful whenever we are install any modules any third party libraries or something dependencies the node module will be handled. Okay. This module will be helpful. So we need to install npm install, then this module will be updated. Whatever third party libraries we want, we just that module this node module will be enabled. Okay. So the main structure is this is the source src. In that we have an app and app folder. So before going to the app folder, we have a main.ts file. Okay. So whenever we want to bootstrapping our application, okay. So bootstrapping our application. So we have one more is index.html. So basically our entire app component will be run with the help of index.html. So this is the our selector. Okay. App root is our selector. So then it is now bootstrapping our application in main.ts file, and it is navigating to the app folder. So it will go here. Okay. So this is our structure of our basic structure of the app component. Okay. So it will go here. Okay. So in app component, so this is our selector, right? App root. This will be declared in index.html. Okay. So it will be boost our application into the main.ts file. The entire application will be run. This is our template file. So whatever we want to display in the DOM, we can with the help of template we can display here. Just I will remove this entire structure. Just I will write so hello hello world I'm writing. Just basically first thing is we are writing hello world. So just this we need to run this application. Still our application is completed. So we need to navigate into the that folder. Okay. So enter cd hello world. Okay. Hello world. Then we are navigating the hello world, and then you can write first our node modules will be uh, node install the node modules, then the our modules will be installed, then ngserve you can add ngserve or ngserve or npm start also you can use it, no problem. Okay, so here you can enter yes or no as your wish, enter it no. So then our application will is building. So now see, enter our application is successfully running. Okay, so go to the browser, just refresh it. See, so what I am writing here in hello world template, hello world. So basically you can go here, uh, localhost 4200. Okay. See, this is our template. We are whatever we are written right in template hello world. If you want to change something, you can write it. Hello world Angular application. You can write something here. Hello world Angular application. Okay, so now go to the browser, now check it. So this will be update here. So dynamically update here. This is about how to create the Angular application and what is the structure of the application. Basically I will explain the main files like this package.json file. So we have basically we have scripts and dependencies and dev dependencies will be there. So scripts will be helpful whenever we need to start the application, means we can check it here ng serve. When build for the build purpose, we can use the ng build, and you need to watch our build. We can use it this one. For example, we are testing the application, then we can use the ng test. Okay, this is the scripting things. Okay, we have a dependencies and dev dependencies. See, this is our entire package.json file. Okay, whenever you install the any third party libraries, it will be installed in the dependencies. And if it is any dev dependencies you are installed, so in basically see, in dev dependency what we are using, TypeScript version we are using, with the karma files, the Jasmine and karma files are we are using. These files are used for which version of karma Jasmine files we are the basically Jasmine files will be used for the testing purpose. Okay, so what is the Angular version we are using? 18.2.0. See, and what is the Angular CLI we are using, and what is the Express. Okay, so basically in see dependencies we have what are the RxJS, what is the what Angular compiler we are using, all the versions will be there. Okay, this is the most important file. One more file is angular.json file. Okay, in angular.json file we have some project details. Okay, some project details like we have which project we are running, and what is the project, what is the how the application will start, all these things will be present. See, in first index.html, where it is located, it will indicate, and which files we need to browse the application, main.ts file. See, and what is our up. So we need to, for example, instead of adding the script files, we are install the our bootstrap libraries or something. You can add into the angular.json file. Here we have an styles and scripts. If you install any scripts, you can add it here. And if you install any third party CSS like bootstraps and Angular material, all these things, you can add it here in styles. Okay, so how much the configuration also there for the production, how much configuration we needed. Okay, so what kind of dev tools we are using, all these things be how the what is our production project name, all these things will be present in here. Okay, this is the Angular application. So basically, right, like Angular app component.html file will be our entire what we are we need to display in the template DOM. Just we can write here, and angular dot j sorry component app component dot ts file will be helpful when we want to write a css. For this, for example, I am writing here h1 tag, and I want to write for h1 tag some css. For example, I am writing some color become, I want to write some red. Then this CSS file will be applicable for the app component. So go to the browser, just see the application. So now hello world, if you want to inspect, right click on it. Okay, go to the dev tools, inspect. So what kind of so we have profilers also. We'll discuss. First of all, which color we are applying. So if you remove it, we can see the block color, default color. Okay, so this is about the how the debug the our application. So just inspect it and we go to the dev tools, and what are the styles is applying, what is the font style, anything is there, just we can observe here. Okay, so now this is our entire scalable application. Okay, yeah, that's it today. I will explain tomorrow how the basic all the components and how the structure will be there. Structure I discussed, right? So structure is this is the structure of our entire application. If you want to write some routing here, you can route it. Routing you can write it here, and we have this. This is the config file. Okay. So basically, our this is then some. So basically, previous versions, Angular 11 or 12, Angular 11 version, we don't have app.config.ts file. So basically, this file introduced providers. We have some here app component .ts file, right? This will be extension to the app config dot file, and server this entire application will be all the dependency component, all these files we can render, we can add it here for the root component. Okay, so still now this is our folder structure of Angular application. So today that's it. Tomorrow I will discuss about how the data structure and all the topics discussed one by one. Okay, thank you.